May we have your attention, please? Disney Cruise Line would like to invite all guests in boarding groups 1 and 2 to please proceed to the boarding area. Please be prepared to present a boarding pass for each
Together, we have 3 separate lines. It does not matter which line you go to. Hi, friends. Those are cute shirts. I didn't see them.
Perfect, thank you.
And Ken and Sean, see you guys.
Thank you.
Treasure, please welcome aboard the Weather family.
Please welcome aboard the Munoz family. Hi there, welcome.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Broadway family.
The burger. Great for mine.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Schulzenberger family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Bell family.
You guys. Oh, look at spinning.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Knowles family.
When you're ready,
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Donnelly family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Snyder family.
look at this one. It's so pretty.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Delahoe family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Carmen Castro family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Belts family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Esmachi family.
Disney Treasure, please welcome aboard the Pereira family.
Disney